Today I'm making Jauja Cocina Mexicana's Mexican white rice. The traditional red rice might be more common, but this is another Mexican classic that tastes amazing and is just so simple to make. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, and if you want to give this a try at home, I'll be leaving all of the ingredients and their measurements in the description under the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. To get a nice fluffy rice, I've washed and strained it. You'll want to start here to give it time to dry out as much as possible. Next, we're going to blend together some water, garlic, and onion. You're going to let this go until it's nice and smooth. Now set it aside and let's heat up some oil over high heat. We're going to lightly fry our rice to bring out some extra flavor. As you might have noticed, there wasn't much of a sizzle there. I didn't really let my oil get hot enough, so just make sure to keep an eye on that. We want to coat every grain of rice in oil and keep it moving until everything sizzles, but avoid getting any color. Next, we're going to add in that onion blend, lower the heat, and mix it. Just keep an eye on it, making sure nothing is burning until the rice has soaked up all the liquid. This is looking pretty good. Now I'm going to mix some salt into my homemade chicken broth. If you don't have any at home, you can use bouillon and skip or adjust the salt as needed. Add that into the rice, along with equal amounts of corn, peas, and carrots. Mix it all in to combine, and then let's add in the final touch. Janet uses a serrano pepper, but I've got tons of fresh jalapeños. So I'm just going to cut a slit through the middle and nestle it right into the rice. This will allow that awesome pepper flavor to infuse into the rice as it cooks. Once the broth comes up to a boil, cover, and cook for 15 minutes. One sec. I only have half my chicken broth in here. There we go. Now I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes. And then, come back and check the bottom for liquid. If there's still a little there, cover it back up and let it go another couple minutes. It looks like all my liquid is gone, so I'm going to cover it back up, turn the heat off, and let this steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, uncover and let it cool completely. This should help make sure that your rice stays fluffy and doesn't stick. And once it's cooled, just slightly fluff it up with a fork. Oops, guess I shouldn't have used purple carrots. Oh well, it's bringing even more color to this vibrant rice. And that's it. Here's the Mexican white rice we made today. I love all the pops of color in the veggies, and using my colorful garden carrots really brought some extra fun colors to this. The rice smells fantastic, and tastes even better. It's not spicy at all, but you can taste that amazing jalapeño flavor as well as the chicken broth throughout. This is such an easy recipe to make, and one of my favorites. Janet's recipes never fail. Give it a try sometime and share a picture on Instagram. You can tag me at Maikoh with 4 H's. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new, I would love to have you around. And if you'd like to watch another video, you can click right up here. Thank you all so much for watching, I hope to see you all next time.